Hi, I'm Jim, Group Isuzu Sales Manager for RH Commercial Vehicles, and today we're going to look at the N35 125 Grafter utility truck in grey, also available in white. As you can see, it's got a nice narrow cab, tool pod behind with tipper. As we walk around this side, we can open the door. Nice sizable cab. We supply them with seat covers and floor mats to protect the floor and the seats. Better resale value further on. As we go into the cab, as you can see, this model is a manual, also available in automatic. We have a touchscreen Pioneer stereo with Bluetooth. Your phone also can be paired up to play music. Basic instrument panel with controls. On this model we have a beacon, so you have a beacon switch, nice slots to put paperwork, dual passenger seat for individuals, colleagues to be able to travel with you. We'll come out of the vehicle. As I said before, this one comes with a toolbox, has two individual slots for your tools. We then come to the back where the tipping body is. Controls are controlled from the cab with a tipping arm and the wander lead behind the seat. On this side as well, we have the AdBlue tank and a fuel tank on the same side for easy access for the driver. As we walk round to the back, it's also fitted with a tow bar with 7-pin electrics. The rear tailgate tips both ways, so it can be dropped down for when loading from the rear, or when tipping it can swing from the top and let the materials roll out. Go round to the other side. This is where the hydraulic tank's fitted on this particular vehicle, and the battery 12 volt. Another access to get into the toolbox, and it goes all the way through. Then we come round to the passenger side. Easy access for the passenger or work colleagues. If you'd like to know more information about this, if you want to give me a ring on 07969 850 612, give us a call and we can sort out a package for you. Thank you.